उधर मेरा लड़का सुबह जैसे ही बोला दोपहर के बीच में, सुबह उठने के बाद वो टिकट विकेट कहीं से ले आया, तो दोपहर में कहने लगा पापा पिक्चर देखने जा रही हूँ। मैंने कहा थोड़ा काम कर जा। वो बालकनी में पिक्चर देख रहा था, बाहर नहीं निकला। लापरवाही थी जी, जैसे 10-5 उनके ही मरते जब पता लगता, और वो सब भग लिए उस टाइम। लापरवाही थी जी।
We talk about practicing fire safety in our offices and our homes with fire extinguishers, smoke detectors and escape equipment, and with training. So we know how to use all these. But what about those places which are often deserted, where there is seldom anyone around to detect a fire, sound an alarm or fight a fire? Warehouses and godowns, for example, where valuable goods are abundant and where a fire could gut the entire premises before anyone even noticed. Or our offices and workplaces, on holidays and after everyone's gone home. Or movie theaters and shopping malls, where people will panic and run rather than put out a fire. What happens to fire safety in these circumstances? This is the precise reason Ceasefire's ceiling-mounted extinguisher was developed, to offer the unique and specific benefit of auto-activation. Or in simple terms, to ensure fire safety even when there is no human intervention possible. The extinguisher is designed and engineered to activate independently when the temperature in the area crosses 68 degrees Celsius. The auto-activation mechanism works through a chemical sensor, which is contained in a glass vial. This sensor expands in response to changes in temperature, and when the ambient temperature crosses the preset limit, the sensor expands to the point where it breaks the glass vial. This automatically activates the extinguisher and it commences spraying the extinguishant, be it ABC powder or clean agent. Apart from the fact that this extinguisher needs no manual activation, it also offers the added advantage of being able to put out hard-to-reach fires, such as those above high storage areas or electrical relays. Unlike home fires, in public places a fire causes most people to panic or just run for safety. In such a scenario, the ceiling-mounted auto-activated extinguisher is all that's left behind to fight the fire, the hero of the day. After hours is potentially dangerous time at the office. Even if there is someone around to witness the fire, there is a good chance that they will be unable to reach certain areas with a heavy extinguisher, or that they may panic and run. The ceiling-mounted extinguisher, therefore, takes care of the unnoticed and the hard-to-reach fires. Ceasefire's ceiling-mounted extinguisher is available in 2 variants. One contains ABC powder, an extinguishing agent that is effective on all classes of fire, including electrical fires. The second variant is Ceasefire's clean agent ceiling-mounted extinguisher, ideally suited to protect today's high-end expensive equipment, computers, faxes, printers, phones, switchboards, servers and so on. It contains possibly the world's most advanced extinguishing agent, HCFC 123. Recognized by the US Environment Protection Agency in its significant new alternatives policy, HCFC 123 is also certified by a number of international bodies. It has a near-zero ODP, or ozone depletion potential, and the lowest GWP, or global warming potential, of any extinguishing agent on the world's market today. And it's effective on Class A, B, and C fires, and leaves absolutely no discharge. Both variants of Ceasefire's ceiling-mounted extinguishers are equipped with a pressure gauge that is visible from the ground, so that it can be seen at a glance if the extinguisher is in working condition. Ceasefire's pressure gauge is imported from one of the world's most reputed suppliers and then put through an exhaustive series of quality checks at Ceasefire's plant to test its efficiency. extremely simple to install and engineered to global standards of precision, Ceasefire's ceiling-mounted extinguishers are meticulously designed. They pack in tremendous firefighting power, work on all classes of fire, and perhaps the most critical of all, are unquestionably reliable. Literally decades of research and crores of rupees of investment in technology have gone into ensuring that in the midst of a fire crisis, Ceasefire will not let you down. Let me conclude this section of our presentation by leaving you with one last thought. With every Ceasefire extinguisher you buy, you also buy into an extensive bank of information and training, and a guarantee that your equipment will be serviced by the very experts who designed it. This is what we call Ceasefire Integrated Services. These training and maintenance components of Ceasefire's offering are comprehensive and no compromise. If you would like to know more about either of these aspects of Ceasefire's integrated services or explore Ceasefire's other product offerings, simply pick from the menu that now follows, and the Ceasefire representative will play your chosen segment for you. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.